All right, good morning, guys. Just at one of my dealerships once again, as usual, right? But I'm just gonna go ahead and show you our swatch ring kit. This is how we mix our colors. Makes it super simple. You can basically walk up to any vehicle. Let me flip you guys around. All right, so here's an F-150. It is a 2014 F-150. It's got a gray interior. So you just go through your swatch ring, go to the grays, and you can literally just put it down until you find the color. That looks like it there. So then on the back of the swatch, there's a code and a name. So 7454. Then we have a mixing chart. You just go to the mixing chart, follow the little recipe on there. It takes a minute to mix up your color. Put it into an airbrush and go ahead and re-dye the seat. All right, guys, so I got the color all mixed up right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you the spots I'm going to be re-dyeing. So all this was just cracked, so I went and filled that in with our soft filler. This was actually a wide open cut, so I filled that in with our compound, and then up here as well. So you'll see in a second just how well the color matches and how the repairs disappear. All right, guys, so there's the repaired area. So we re-dyed right in here. We did not re-dye up here. And you can see a nice blend there. It just matches up really well. Same thing with the bottom here. Super easy way to match colors, guys. Easiest, fastest way. I just wanted to give you guys a good kind of view of the swatch ring and how easy it is to mix your colors. I'm gonna go find another car, a different color, not a gray. So you can see how easy it is with anything. Hang tight. All right, so just a second later, just walking around, I already had this car marked with damage. So this one's a 2010 Ford Escape. And as you can see, the steering wheel is all damaged. I think I've said it in past videos, sometimes that's just buildup from lotions and things like that. And you can clean that off, but this has already been cleaned. It's actually worn. See it up a little closer there. It's actually, you know, completely worn through. But anyways, the purpose of this video is to show you the ease of how to match your colors. So then we go to our tans and we filter through. It's a little light. Sorry, I don't mean to have you guys so zoomed in, but it's hard to, again, it's hard to do one-handed here, so. A little too dark. Nope. Nope. Sometimes you want to check different angles as well. So that one was looking okay up there, but way off down here. So I'm actually going to stick to it down here. Looks like that'll be it. That'll be our color. If we need to adjust slightly from there, but I actually don't think we're going to need to. I think that's pretty much spot on. So again, flip that over. We've got 7481. Camel is the colorway. And I'll take you over to the chart now so you guys can see how easy it is to mix it out. So here is our color chart. That tan was 7481, I believe. So we just find it in here. 7481. I'm actually only gonna mix up 1 ounce, so I'll just cut these numbers in half. But it calls for, so 6.6 grams of 101. 101 corresponds with the each pigment has its own number. So 101 is actually white, 110 is black, 140 is brown, 145 is a shade of brown, and 160 is a shade of yellow, essentially. But as you can see here, got all my colors there, and this is exactly how we ship out our kits. Ship with all the pigments, and then we also provide a box with all the insert, so everything's held together nicely.